Okay, we're back. So I got a little bit 1/4 inch longer bolt. So put that in there. With your lock washer. So now you got a good amount of thread in here going in now. It hasn't been used for a while, you can tell. Where's the other bolt at? Oh, there it is. Bolts are a little on the long side right now. About an 1/8 inch long, but that's alright. So you can see way down in there. See the bolt head. Right inside where my finger is, there's a bolt head in there. There's another one up higher too. So they're real close to the rotor, but they're not hitting it. So I'd rather have full thread and a little bit long bolt than the other way. So if you ran the short bolts without washers, you'd probably be alright. So when you put washer on there and a longer bolt, it hangs through the other side. Same deal, we're alright, we're not hitting. If you don't hit, you're fine. So that's all that matters. Okay, so now we got no drag. Wheel turns pretty good. Still got to tighten them bolts down there yet. So now you got to adjust this up here. So you rotate that. 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump, 4 pump, 5 pump. Now I'm starting to get a break now. There it is. Like that. Boom. Typical brake drag in there. Everything's loose in the spike. So the wheel's dragging more than I like, but the fix for it is to take the caliper apart, clean all the junk out like we did before. That'll help it. They usually drag a little bit, but that's about double what I really like. But anyway, once things get kind of broken in, they'll probably settle in a little bit. But everything's kind of bound up a little bit because of the seals and stuff. So it doesn't hurt to do a rebuild kit every now and then. All right, so that should work good now. I'm going to put some air in this front tire because it looks like it's low. Usually I run about 45 pounds air on big twin tires. On these 21s because there's a lot of weight on the front end. This bike doesn't have a lot on the front because it's so long, but when you lean into it you get weight again. Let's see what we got. Because whatever's in there now is not enough. Unless I put air in it already. Which I might have already, I don't remember. It feels soft though. Yeah, that's kind of soft. Like 16 pounds is soft. Okay, there's 44 pounds. Like I said, the front end's way forward, so we're good. Yeah. 16's a little on the low side. Helps to put air in your tires every now and then just to make sure they got air in them. Probably won't hurt to check the back one. If one's flat, they're probably both flat. So I'm not even sure where the filler is on the back of this thing, but it helps to make sure you got air in your tire before you do any kind of test riding. Bikes tend to handle better with air in the tires for some reason. Not sure why. That must be the valve stem or a broken bolt. That's a broken spoke. I guess he didn't need all the spokes after all. Here's the valve stem. So he's missing a spoke. Appears to be missing for a while. Yeah, it appears to be a little low in the back. About the same as what he had in the front, not much. There's 32 in the back. There and there. Probably run a little bit softer than that, but it'll really be a little higher for him. So it's missing a spoke for sure. Spokes just don't fall out, they break. If you got one broken one, there's more to follow. It usually means something's loose. Oh well. Alright, well there we go. I think that's it for the bike for now. I'll throw a wrench up on the mirror, make sure it doesn't fall off or see if the bolt's tight. And then I think we're about done. Yeah, it's not even tomorrow yet. Okay, so I guess tomorrow I'll try a little test ride on this thing, make sure the brakes work and everything. I really don't want to ride this pile, but a bike with this many problems on it, it's best to go ride it. Alright, that's it for this for now.